Hi, this is Luke from Taillight Pro. Today we have 2022 Hyundai Kona, stock number 6642. This ran from 11th 2020 to 7th 2023. It has a G4NS 2-litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by an 8-speed automatic transmission. This is a G4NS 2-litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. Left front 18-inch factory automatic tyre. Front bonnet no dents. Left hand door mirror. Left front door no dents. Left rear 18-inch factory automatic tyre. Left hand tail light. Rear tailgate no dents. Right hand tail light. Right and rear 18-inch factory automatic tyre. Right rear door no dents. Right front door no dents. Right front door mirror. Right front guard. Right front 18-inch factory automatic tyre. Right front door card. Right front master switch. Centre console lid. Automatic gear shifter. Heater AC controls. Factory set nav touchscreen stereo. Stereo mirror. Front courtesy left sunglass holder. Left front sun visor. Right front sun visor. Factory 3-spoke steering wheel. Instrument cluster.